Hi, this is Trisha from blogherway.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest graphic using my free 5 Canva Pinterest templates. You can find a link to these templates in the description below. After you sign up for these templates and log into the course, this is what you'll see. You can go ahead and click to start the lecture, and then in here you'll find the link to the templates. In order to use these templates, you'll need to create a Canva account. Canva is a free online graphic design tool that you can use to create graphics for your blog and business. When you access the templates, after clicking on the link, you'll see this screen giving you access to my templates. Go ahead and click on Use Template. This will pull up a copy of the template in your Canva account. The first step when using the template is to change out the colors for your brand. So let's go ahead and change the colors on this first template. Click on the circle here, and then you can change out the color. And then in this case, let's go with a blue. And then what you'll notice here is you can click to change all of the pink to blue. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then it automatically changed this bottom banner as well to our blue color. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for the text. Clicking on the color, and then we'll change it to the blue as well. And then you can again select change all to blue. And then that did it for all of the templates all of the 5 templates. It was really easy to do, to change out the colors to match your brand colors. The next step will be to change out the font. If you use a particular branded font for your graphics, now you can change out the text to match that. So in this case, let's go ahead and change it out. So let's select the text, and then you'll select on the text here, go ahead and click the font options here, and then let's try another font, Open Sans, and then maybe make it bold for this word here. And then what's nice is what you can do is you can actually highlight multiple text here. Go ahead and click on it, and then it will change them all out together. And then for here you can add it, make it bold again, so it adds a little bit of pop for that text graphic. So I would recommend doing that for each of these different template graphics here, making it match the fonts that you want to use for each of these graphics here. After you've made your changes to your template document, you've changed your colors, you've changed your text, every time you go to create a new document using this template, what you'll want to do is you'll want to make a copy first. So the way that you can make a copy is you'll go to File, and then you'll click on Make a Copy. That way, each time you go to use this template, you will preserve your template copy, and then you'll be able to make changes to reflect your newest blog post that you're trying to promote. So definitely make sure every time you open your template document, you make a copy for each new project in which you use it. That way your kind of template document is preserved with those initial changes. And so I find it's a good idea to kind of designate your file as a template, and then save it, maybe make a folder, a special folder in Canva where you keep your template documents. That way you know where to find it and access it each time when you need to make a new Pinterest graphics for your blog. If you are using the paid version of Canva, Canva Pro, then what you can actually do is you can actually make a template of your document here. That way, each time you don't actually have to make a copy of it, it will automatically give you a new template. So to do that, you'll click on Share, and then you'll want to share a link to edit. You're going to go ahead and hit the drop down, and then you can click on share a link to use as a template. In this way, it will create a link for you. And then what you notice when you access that link, it will pull up that template. Then you can immediately use that template each time you need to go ahead and create a Pinterest graphic for your blog. Let's go ahead and actually create a Pinterest pin using these templates. So we'll take the text example that I have already selected here. 9 expert tips on how to organize your closet. So the first thing you would do with your branded templates is change out the text. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use that text. And then you can add an image. So what's nice is you can search for photos within Canva. So let's go type in closet as an example. When you search through the images, you'll notice some will say that they're free, and then others will give you, will say that it belongs to the Pro plan. What's nice about the Pro plan is any of the images here you can use, and it makes creating graphics pretty easy to do, to be able to use some other stock photos within Canva. When you find an image that you like, you will just go ahead and drag it in to the grid, and it will fill out the space there. If you want to make any adjustments to your image, just go ahead and click on it. You can easily adjust where you want it positioned. You can change the sizing of it for there as well. And then with your images, you can even add effects. You can use any kind of filter through here. You can adjust them, adjust the brightness of the image, or the contrast, and then you can choose to crop your photo if you need to as well. One thing I forgot to mention when we were creating that initial branded document is make sure you change out the brand name here at the bottom to reflect your brand, and then when you go to use the template each time, that will already be pre-filled for you. Thank you for watching this video on how to create Pinterest graphics using my free Canva Pinterest templates. Be sure to grab a copy of your Canva templates and using the link below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel where I share helpful tech tutorials on how to run your blog and business. This is Trisha from blogherway.com. See you next time.